If parties enter a written contract, it generally governs in a dispute. But what if one party claims the contract doesn't accurately reflect the party's agreement? In Druckzentrum Jung GmbH and Company versus Motorola Mobility Limited Liability Company, we explore whether evidence from outside a contract can be used to contradict or supplement a contract's terms. Druckzentrum, a German printing company, historically printed cell phone user manuals for Motorola to accompany phones sold in Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, a marketing area known as the EMEA. When Motorola later adopted a bidding process to select vendors, it wasn't clear whether vendors were bidding by geographic region. But Druckzentrum believed, based on certain statements by Motorola, that it was bidding to continue printing all manuals for the EMEA. Druckzentrum won the relevant bid, and the parties entered a purchase contract. The 2-year contract required Motorola to make a good faith effort to purchase 2% of global print purchases from Druckzentrum and granted an option to purchase an additional 8%. There was no reference to the EMEA. The contract also contained an integration clause stating that the contract represented the parties' entire agreement and superseded any prior discussions, agreements, or representations. During the contract period, Motorola's sales decreased significantly, prompting it to consolidate operations in China. Consequently, Motorola stopped purchasing from Druckzentrum, which ultimately bankrupted the German company. Druckzentrum subsequently sued Motorola, alleging, among other things, that the contract granted Druckzentrum an exclusive right to print materials for the EMEA, and Motorola therefore breached by transferring printing elsewhere. Because the contract's express terms didn't refer to the EMEA, Druckzentrum relied in part on alleged statements by Motorola during the bidding process. Motorola countered that the contract's express terms governed and didn't confer any exclusive right. The district court dismissed Druckzentrum's claim, holding there was no exclusive right. Druckzentrum appealed to the Seventh Circuit.